got a plane coming in the distance. Look like it's a Southwest airline coming in for a flight into Midway Airport, Chicago, Illinois, outside of Giordano's Pizza, Chicago's world famous pizza. As you see the landing approach, this is actually going to be amazing. I'm probably going to see it better than you will on here because I'm like looking at it, but this is like the plane is going to run you over. Absolutely amazing. And it's coming into play now. As you can see, the plane is coming into a landing, and I will shut up now as you watch the play-by-play. There it goes.